I've got a really simple recipe for you today. We're making these little cinnamon sticks, and it's more or less just a base for any keto baking that you want to do. This dough works out really well with a ton of recipes. Today we're using it to make these little cinnamon sticks, and we have a nice fatty butter glaze to go over top of them. And I recommend this recipe. It tastes amazing, but I'm more concerned with what you guys can do with this, so I want to see in the comment section below if you guys decide to do your own keto baking. While you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the little bell icon so you can be part of my notification squad. And as always, let's jump right into it. Let's get it.
We're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients here. I want you to mess around and experiment with the ratios. Remember, this is a foundational recipe for keto baking, so if you find something that works, go ahead and try it out. I'm using baking powder as our leavening agent and Psyllium Husk as kind of like a binder. You'll see that I'm adding some apple cider vinegar, and that's going to activate the baking powder and make this a little bit more airy. I've seen people whip the eggs and just the egg white so that it creates the airiness. If you want to do that instead of adding the baking powder and apple cider vinegar, go ahead and play around with that. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below. So we're making the glaze here, and this is just a sweet butter with cinnamon. Make sure that you're using Ceylon cinnamon instead of cassia cinnamon. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I almost guarantee you that you're buying cassia cinnamon, but it's cheaper and it's what's available at the grocery stores, just because people don't really pay attention to it. But if you want all the health benefits that are associated with cinnamon, you should buy Ceylon cinnamon. So I'm going to pass this off to my lovely girlfriend. This recipe was her idea, so I'm going to let her shape the sticks. You've seen her in my fasting videos before. As you can see, she's going to half it again, and then half it again, so it's in eighths, and then roll it out into little sticks, make a trough, and then put the glaze inside the trough. And then we're going to bake it in an oven for 350 until it gets golden brown. Take it out when you think it's ready. And these things, while they're not the prettiest in the world, they really taste good. And, add some cream cheese and make a really pretty frosting. I want to see you guys do something creative, so let me know what you can come up with in the comments below. Don't forget to share the video with someone you know that would love it. Keep it keto and stay healthy, guys. Peace.